All right, so check it out real quick. So this is the calendar. I know you guys, you've been trading a while. Let's see. Excuse me. Excuse me. Forex Factory. Everybody's used to Forex Factory, which is probably a little bit easier to read for you guys. So if you just go over here, go to the calendar, and just go to the red folders, you can pick your currency pair, whatever you choose to do. You know, JPY, NZD, Chef, CAD, whatever the case may be. So if you look at this week, it's ADP, CPI, non-farm payroll. So it's going to be a pretty rough week this week. So just be careful with your trades. You can watch them, or if you're trading on the daily, a lot of this stuff really won't matter to you unless you're trading US 30 on the daily time frame. But I'm gonna tell you, if you go in here and look, there's some general information about what's going on with this folder. But I'm gonna tell you, if you go to trading economics, uh, you can go impact, you can go small news, heavy, big news, and that's the countries, whatever you looking at, categories, all events. You can actually download it and it'll update as far as well. And you can pick the dates as well, recent. But if you look on it, you check on it, it actually tells you a lot more than Forex Factory, because a lot of you guys just see these Forex Factory. You're like, oh, it's a red folder, and you don't know which way it's going or the reason why it's doing certain things. So it actually gives you a breakdown of consumer, confidence, Japanese consumer confidence. Just go through and read some of this stuff and why it might take. And then once you understand certain things like this, why things move, it'll help you figure out when you look at the trend or you look at the chart exactly which way it potentially going. All right. So just save this in your folder or whatever the case may be, and then we're gonna go from there. So today, real quick, I've been trading the daily time frame and I've been pretty profitable as well. But if you look right here, I jumped in this trade pretty late. I would say about 35 pips late. It's okay though, because see right here, we're actually about to hit our take profit. And that's the biggest thing is I want to tell you guys also on Trading View. You look down here, I got the events. If you want to go in Trading View, you just hit the settings button. Go to events. You can put ideas on chart from other people. I don't mess with that. You look at future events, event breaks. It just has a little line in between. You can put latest news down here, and it tells you the latest news, things of that nature. But if you split them up right here, it actually tells you, ISM manufacturing, PMI, the Fed rate decision, which is a big thing, balance of trade, and you got non-farm payroll on Friday. All right, so check this out. I won't be in the market on anything USD on Friday, but here's the kicker. I'm gonna tell you, for guys who don't know, a lot of people talk about indicators. They don't like to use them. Try to trade without indicators. Yes, you can do that as well. But if you're just starting off, indicators do help you. And I'm gonna tell you a strategy for this group that actually helps me out and actually helps take less trades and be more confident and hold out. And even if you don't have a lot of capital right now, there's a lot of prop firms out there that I can recommend that I use that actually will help you get a little bit more money to fund your private account. All right, so if you look right here, I'm on the Darvis box. See, buy, sell, length 5. If you go in here, and I've tested a lot of indicators. If you go in here, buy and sell by C-Hun, right here, this is the one I use. I use the Asian range for something else, but I used to use the 50 EMA. And if you look down here, I also use the trend meter by LIJMC, and that's this thing down here. So this is my biggest strategy, what I've been back testing. So it doesn't come. That's why I look at all these pairs. Let me show you. I scan through all these pairs on my current day trades, right? All these pairs. And then if I see a potential trade I like, I go through, right here. Let me bring this one back. This is my favorite pair, but it's not doing nothing right now. And then I put it on the daily trade. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I do this, because on the daily time frame, it's more confluence. It's actually less noise than the 15-minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, blah, blah, blah. The higher you go, it takes longer for the trades, but it's more accurate. I'm going to say that. It's more accurate. So if you look right here, we on a uptrend. So if you look, it was the lower low down here. Then you look right here, it actually broke this area right here, right? All right, and then it actually broke the 50 EMA. Boom, right here. All right. So then if you look right here, we actually right now still on the uptrend. See, high, high, low, high. All right. So if you see right here, boom, right here, it's constantly moving. Got it? All right. And if you look over to your left, you look, this is a resistance level. This is a resistance level. And if it breaks here, I potentially seeing it going up to this level. Now, it's not going to go straight up. You know, it's going to potentially go up here, might come back down here a little bit and then go back up this way, consolidate, whatever the case, and then hit this one eventually. Remember, this is the daily time frame, so it might not be till June or July till it actually hits this area, because if it goes from right here to right here, that's almost 400 pips. So it might take a month or two to get there. But in the same case, if you look right here, this is the reason why I took this trade. All right, we're on the uptrend. We over the 50 EMA. Remember, for it to get over the 50 EMA, it takes a little bit. It takes a little longer. See, it went on the downtrend November 10th, 2022, stayed down there till January. And look, it actually didn't come back over to the 50 till February 14th February this year. Boom, it came up, came back down, and it's kind of consolidating a little bit, but you can still grab some points in between here. Consolidation didn't break through. Now it broke through again. Boom, right here. And then it's back at this zone right here. 1, 2, 3. Now, if it tests and it comes back down, then we'll just write it back down if we see another signal. So if you look right here, this is plain and simple what I use, and I'll back test to show you guys a couple. Right here, if you see right here, all green. All right, let me move this right here. Events on chart. All right. And let me move latest news. All right. So if you look right here, all green, and it's the marker up here above the 50, green, boom. So I take that sale. I don't have to take the sale for. Sometimes I do the length of the candle, but if I did the length of the candle, right here, that's almost 300 pips. So I'd have to be way up here, and it might go that way, but I'm trying to get in and out the market. So that's my confluences. All right. Let me move this up right here. 1, all right, 2, all right, and 3. All right, so I'm gonna write that down. Okay, all green on trend meter. All right, all green on trend meter. All right, let me move this right here. Then right here, buy signal, and one more that was over the EMA. All right, that's my 3 right there. And of course, I also look at, overall trend. That's another one. Overall trend. Remember, you don't want this to be you don't want to have all of these confluences and to be on the downtrend and you take a buy. You get what I'm saying? All right. So just think about that. All right. Write those down if you can. And I'm gonna show you some more. Let me show you some more. Let's go and hunt. Let's see what we got. Let's hunt and see if we can find one. Nope. Nope. We're not doing US 30 because most of you guys don't have that type of money. All right. Look, December 22nd. We don't trade in December 22nd anyway, so we're good. All right. Let's see if we can find one. See right here? Boom. Matter of fact, AUD is the one I took. Yeah, let's do that. If you look, where's AUD? Oh, there it is. There's a sell underneath here, and it's a sell right here. But check this out, it's not underneath, so we're not gonna do it. So matter of fact, scratch that one. And we're gonna go back. See, look, boom, December. All right, let's see if we find one right here. Nope, nope. So that's why we have 30 something pairs. All right, these you can actually take these. See this one right here. Boom, you could take this one right here. All right, you don't have to do 300 pips way back here. All right, you can do half of it. All right, you can do half. All right, if we look right here, I'm not doing that. I just go to the EMA. That's what I do normally. And let's see if we can go out right here. 1 and 1s. Right here. Boom, look at that. 300 point. It actually hit that pretty fast. See, look at that. Boom. It came up a little bit. All right. And then let's go to the next one. Let's keep it this month. All right. So it's not all green. I mean, it's not all, so you don't want to take that one. All right. And if you look for this month, there is buy right here. But there's no buy. Boom, right here. Well, nope. Let's go to the next one. Let me get out of here. Let's see if we can find something. We went back to December. Nope, not underneath. Nope, not underneath. Oh, we got a nice one right here, Foreman. Look at that on NZD. Boom, look at that. Let's go to the next one. This right here is choppy. I wouldn't even trade this if I saw this on there. All right. Look at that. It goes one right here in February. Oh, I lied. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm trying to think if it's supposed to be on the 5 or not, but either or. There you go. We'll keep it on the 5. All right, we'll find one. Look at that. Boom, right here. All right. Over the top, boom. A nice one right here. All right. JPY has been doing his thing, though. I'm not gonna lie. All right, but makes more sense. I don't want to confuse too many people. All right, but look at this. Boom, right there. Took that for 500. Sometimes I don't even mess with this bottom one. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been trading some of these pairs so long, I don't mess, because if not, I'll end up not taking any trades. Okay. Excuse me. See that? Boom. See that bottom one? It's always in the green for some reason. All right. And then we still made that trade. All right. Nice one right here. Very nice one right here. Very nice one. See that one? That one is on point. 1, 2. And let's see if it's over the 50. Boom, over the 50. And over the 50. And guess what? That was a nice trade, actually. That went for about 500 something pips. So that was a very nice trade in the month of April. All right, so y'all get the point of what I'm trying to say. All right, if you have any questions, just make sure you look underneath. You leave them in the Discord or underneath in the comment section. Make sure if you like what I'm getting at or the strategy I'm using, hit the like button, hit the bell button for notification, and hit the subscribe button. And I'll try to bring more content to you like this. Other than that, you guys have a blessed trading week and be safe.